If you have a record collection, whether it's 30 titles or 30,000, keeping things organized can feel like a full-time job. But if you're using Discogs, you've got one of the most powerful collection tools at your fingertips. Hi, I'm Andy Fenstermaker, and I've been using Discogs for over a decade to manage my collection. And today, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of it. And we're going to start with folders. One of the best features for keeping things tidy in Discogs is the folder system. Think of it like playlists or dividers for your records. To create a folder, log into Discogs. Click the Collection tab in the upper left navigation. Just below that, you will see your estimated collection value. More on that in a second. And all the way to the right, you'll see 3 links. The first one, Manage Custom Folders. Go ahead and select that. Right below those 3 links is the Add Folder button. Click on that and you can easily name and add your folder. Make sure to hit save and then you're done. Personally, I organize my collection by format first and then alphabetically. But I also have separate folders for select artists like a mini spotlight. If I have lots of them on vinyl, like David Bowie, Radiohead, and The Smiths. Your system can be as personal as you want. How do you plan to use folders to organize your collection? Drop your organization style in the comments below. We're kind of curious. You can also batch add items to folders. To do that, go back to your main collection tab and select the items that you wish to organize. Just below the search bar is the Move to Folder button. Select that, choose your folder, and then click OK. If you have a large collection and lots of items in it, you can also search for an item and then select from there. Before moving on, here's another hot tip. Say I want to listen to The Smiths, but I don't want to choose which album to listen to. I want it to be selected for me at random. All I need to do is pull out my phone, open up the Discogs app. At the top of the screen, you'll see Search Collection and the barcode scanner. Right below that barcode scanner is a folder icon. Select that and it allows you to choose which folder you want. I choose The Smiths and Morrissey. Now, check this out. Remember that random feature from a previous video? If not, check out the previous video. Go ahead and give your phone a shake, and it looks like I'll be playing the 12-inch single of Sheila Take a Bow next. Now let's talk about custom fields. This is my personal favorite part of the collection tool. Discogs gives you some default fields like media condition, sleeve condition, and notes, but custom fields let you really dial things in. First, let's take a look at the 3 defaults. Media condition and sleeve condition are drop-down fields that allow you to grade each item separately, from poor to mint. I never grade anything mint unless it's truly new, unplayed, and absolutely flawless. Notes is a general text field that allows you to add whatever you want, up to a certain number of characters. To add a custom field, go to your collections page, then select Manage Custom Fields. Right next to that, Manage Folders button. In the bottom left is the Add Field button. Select that, choose what you want to call the field. Next, select what type you want. Is it a drop-down or is it a text area? And choose the number of lines you wish. Now, if it's a drop-down, you can choose the choices, with each choice being on a new line. You can also choose whether or not to make it public. Don't forget to hit the Save Fields button at the bottom. Once done, you can go back to your Collections tab, and you should be able to see the custom field as you scroll in your collection. Populating this is easy. In the Collection tab itself, you can just select the field and type in the values you wish. Or if it's a drop-down, choose from the drop-down. Don't forget to hit Save if it's a Notes field. You can also select the release, scroll down to the fields, select the field, and input the values. So you can fill in these fields right when you add a record, either from the release page, either on your desktop or your mobile device, or directly from your Collections tab. Here are the custom fields I've created in my Discogs account. Price. I like to track what I paid on an item-by-item basis. Play count. Yes, I'm that level of nerd. Condition notes. Now, this is separate from that notes one that is default. I separate it out for condition. So I like to have a condition field for media and a condition field for sleeve. Version notes. So I have this to drop in my justification for choosing that particular version. All right, so have you created custom fields? If so, what do you track in your collection? Let us know in the comments. You can also rate the item in your collection. To do this, go to your collections page, locate the release you want to rate, and select the number of stars you'd like to give it. Now here's the kicker. What metric do you rate items in your collection? Do you rate it on how much you like the music? Or do you rate it on the sound and production quality of that particular pressing? Again, let us know in the comments. Earlier, I talked about the valuation of your records. Let's dig into that a little bit. So if you go to your collections page, you can see a few different valuation metrics. Along the top, just below the search bar, you can see your estimated collection value, including low, median, and high valuations. As you scroll through your collection, you can also see these on a release-by-release basis. Now let's select an item in our collection to show how Discogs calculates these numbers. From the release page, you can see these on the right side of the screen, just below the Shop Now button. If you click the date to the right of last sold, confirm that you're not a bot, and select Show Sales Data, this gives you individual sales over time. This is data that is pulled directly from actual sales on the Discogs marketplace. This is how Discogs pulls the low, median, and high numbers, and you'll also see they do provide an average as well. Okay, so this information is super useful if you're looking to, say, insure a really large collection, or if you're looking to determine the value of an individual item to sell. We'll get into the weeds on selling in the future. There are some hot tips on how to manage your collection right here in Discogs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment below on some of the stuff that you do to help make collecting easier using the Discogs tool. I'm Andy. Once again, this is Discogs, and I will see you very soon.